Hit it, hit it. Thank you for coming back to today's video again. We'll be dropping a video every Friday from here on out. Today, we're gonna see just how many garage doors it takes to save party night. We're gonna put all these bears on top of here yet, and then if the bullet comes through, you know, it'll probably blow it up, right?
Yeah.
That's what's gonna happen.
Bruh. It probably will. And if we don't hit him, we get to drink him.
Yeah,
afterwards.
exactly. Today, we are gonna be shooting 22 pistol handgun. Let's see what it does to garage door panels.